Hello, this is my newest build. It's a Yamaha XS750 from 1978. Just finished it, turned out really great. It's first of all, it's a really nice satin white paint job on it and a custom rear cowl fiberglass. We've done heaps of stuff to clean it all up and make it look nice. Well, first of all, we've got upgraded suspension. We got upgraded brakes with modern master cylinders. We got rebuilt brakes at the back, drilled brake rotors. The wheels are original, just painted and some nice stickers on them. We got rear sets. We got a 3-to-1 exhaust with a flow-through muffler. Pod filters on the original carburetors, just rejatted and cleaned up. Engine is obviously painted, and I got rid of all the wiring, so you can't really see any wiring. It's actually running inside the frame tubes. Up the front we got rebuilt front forks, rebuilt brakes, drilled rotors again, LED lights, LED blinkers. We got a new master cylinder for the front brakes, which is a 19mm Brembo. It's a bit more braking power. Same here, upgraded clutch, because these old ones are really hard to engage the clutch with. Bar and mirrors. Got rid of the scent stand. Nice upholstered seat to match the color scheme of the bike. And up here we've got a refurbished triple tree. Got rid of all the unnecessary tabs and holes. Got a GPS speedo. And that's about it. All in all, it just turned out really great. It's a nice lines, nice and straight. Oh yeah, we also lowered the tank a little bit to make it sit as low as we could. We got that typical cafe racer, really nice and straight line. We got push button controls up the front, and all the electronics and battery and everything is hidden inside the cowl and underneath the seat. And obviously this is one of the features, the really nice shaped tank. If you can film there, like a really nice and deep scallop. This really flows really nice. Really happy with that. Yeah, so thanks for watching.